Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates, and give me your valuable opinion. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 vlogging cameras. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones. Best of 5. Sony Point and Shoot Vlogging Camera. 20.1 megapixel plus, 8x zoom. Optical steady shot image stabilization, with 2-way active mode. 720p MP4, HD movie mode. 360 sweep panorama, minimum illumination. Auto, 22.0 lux shutter speed, 130. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Kimmeyer 16x camcorder video camera. IR light for night vision, Li-ion battery NP40, 3.7 volts 1500 mAh. CMOS image sensor, max 24.0 megapixels. 3.0-inch touchscreen, 270-degree rotation. External SD, MMC card, 4 GB to 128 GB. Resolution ratio of video, FHD 1920 by 1080p, 30 fps, HD 1280 by 720p, 60 fps, 30 fps. Best of 3. Canon PowerShot digital camera. New 1.0-inch, 20.2 megapixel high sensitivity CMOS sensor combined with Canon's powerful Digic 6 image processor. 4.2x optical zoom, 9-blade iris diaphragm, and is equipped lens. Selfie-ready multi-angle capacitive, 3.0-inch touch panel LCD. Capture stunning 1080p, 60p Full HD video with up to 60 fps. Built-in Wi-Fi, and NFC. Best of 2. KickTech 4K video camera camcorder. 3.0-inch capacitive touchscreen, available with 270-degree rotation. 13 megapixel CMOS image sensor, 48.0 megapixel image resolution, 4K 2880 by 2160, 24 fps video resolutions. IR cut light filter, IR night vision, webcam and Wi-Fi wireless transmission function. 3.7 volts 2500 mAh rechargeable battery, the battery up to 8 hours. Lightweight and small camera, easy to carry and store, high-class material and advanced technology. Best of 1. Siri 4x zoom vlogging camera. Point and shoot digital cameras, with Wi-Fi 2.7K Ultra HD 24MP blogging camera, selfie camera with flip screen. Anti-shake, on, off, electronic stabilizer. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery, 800 mAh. USB port for charge and data transfer, micro USB 2.0. Digital camera with Wi-Fi 1, lithium-ion battery 1, adapter 1, UV lens 1, USB cable 1, strap 1, user manual 1. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please, give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share, and comments.